This is a dual compartment horizontal side-send filter used for a cooling tower recirculation water, designed as a single horizontal pressure vessel with a twin compartment configuration for continuous and reliable operation. Its twin section configuration allows filtration while optimizing space and system efficiency. The unit is designed for stable operation under controlled pressure and flow conditions. The SSF is equipped with header with a lateral with top distribution and bottom plate with strainer plant, necessary isolation, vent, drain, and backwash connections, along with the instrumentation to monitor operating conditions and ensure safe performance. The robust mechanical design supports ease of operation, inspection, and maintenance with provisions for both manual and automatic operation. This SSF ensures consistent reduced TSS and turbidity and provides effective protection for downstream equipment such as cooling tower recirculation systems and other critical water treatment units. The filter is available in multiple MOC options including carbon steel epoxy painted CSEB, CS rubber line, and making it suitable for a wide range of applications.